unveils group play schedule for the 2024 Emirates NBA Cup, kicking off November 12. The NBA has officially released the detailed group play schedule for the highly anticipated Emirates NBA Cup 2024, with games set to begin on Tuesday, November 12. This marks the second season of the tournament, previously known as the NBA In-Season Tournament, which aims to bring added excitement and competition to the regular season. Key highlights of the schedule: the tournament's group play will span from November 12 to December 3, with all games being played on designated Cup nights every Tuesday and Friday. On these nights, group play games will be the only NBA matchups scheduled, ensuring that all attention is focused on the Emirates NBA Cup action, opening night and national broadcasts. The first Cup night on Tuesday, November 12, will be a must-watch doubleheader on TNT. The Philadelphia 76ers will host the New York Knicks in a rematch of last season's thrilling first-round playoff series, where the Knicks edged out the 76ers by a single point over 6 games. East Group A, Sham ke 7:30 ET. Later that night, the defending Western Conference champion Dallas Mavericks will take on the Golden State Warriors at the Chase Center. West Group C, 10 p.m. ET. This game will be particularly emotional for Klay Thompson, who returns to face the Warriors after spending 13 successful seasons and winning 4 championships with the team before moving to Dallas. ESPN's coverage will kick off on Friday, November 15, with another exciting doubleheader. The defending Emirates NBA Cup champions, the Los Angeles Lakers, will visit the San Antonio Spurs. West Group B, followed by the Warriors hosting the Memphis Grizzlies. West Group C, 10 p.m. ET. Marquee matchups throughout group play. Tuesday, November 19, TNT will feature the Cleveland Cavaliers visiting the reigning NBA champions, the Boston Celtics. East Group C, 7 p.m. ET, followed by the Spurs hosting the Oklahoma City Thunder, the top playoff seed in the Western Conference last season. West Group B, रात के 9:30 ET. Friday, November 22, ESPN will showcase the Indiana Pacers facing off against the Milwaukee Bucks. East Group B, शाम के 7:30 ET, followed by a clash of recent Western Conference champions, as the Denver Nuggets host the Mavericks. West Group C, 10 p.m. ET. Tuesday, November 26, TNT's doubleheader will feature 2 thrilling rematches from last season, the Bucks visiting the Miami Heat. East Group B, शाम के 7:30 ET, and the Phoenix Suns hosting the Lakers. West Group B, 10 p.m. ET. Final day of group play. The final day of group play, Tuesday, December 3, will be crucial for teams looking to secure their spots in the knockout rounds. TNT will air a doubleheader starting with the Knicks taking on the Orlando Magic in New York. East Group A, शाम के 7:30 ET, and concluding with a showdown between the Warriors and the Nuggets in Denver. Tournament structure and advancements. Each of the 30 NBA teams will play 4 group play games, 2 at home and 2 on the road, against the other teams in their respective groups. Teams were randomly drawn into groups of 5 within their conference based on win-loss records from the 2023-24 regular season. The top 8 teams, 6 group winners and 2 wild cards, the best second-place teams from each conference will advance to the knockout rounds and championship. The knockout rounds will follow a single elimination format, beginning with the quarterfinals on December 10-11. The semifinals and championship game will be held at the T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas on December 14 and 17, respectively. The national broadcast schedule for these games will be announced at a later date. As excitement builds for the 2024 Emirates NBA Cup, fans can look forward to intense competition, marquee matchups, and the opportunity for teams to earn early season bragging rights. Tickets and NBA experiences packages for the semifinals and championship are available for purchase, offering fans a chance to witness the action live in Las Vegas.